Okay, this is gonna be a start of the vlog. I'm going to Six Flags St. Louis for a little bit again today. And I'm on my way down to Silver Dollar City. For the very first time, I can't wait to ride Outlaw Run and Time Traveler and be in the park because I hear it's amazing. So it's about an 8-hour drive. You'll probably see me again when I'm at Six Flags St. Louis. Okay, so I just got in to Six Flags St. Louis. I'm in line for Freeze right now. Can't wait to ride. This thing is so good. Well, it's running, which is a good sign. Alright, that's a wrap at Six Flags St. Louis. Didn't really vlog much, but I did Freeze a bunch, Boss once, and Screaming Eagle one more time. Give it a re-ride. It's actually a lot better than I remember. Alright, so I'm back at back again at this time at Silver Dollar City. Park closed. Your 100th on Outlaw Run. And 98 was Thunder Nation, 99 was Time Traveler, and what is that ride? That ride is flipping amazing. How is that one legal? It's so good. Drop out of the station is amazing, and I got like hang time galore and air time, and it's so good. It's almost my favorite in the park, but not quite. But Outlaw Run topped it. It's a tad rough, but the roughness adds to the ride because the plot of the ride is you're chasing outlaws on horseback, apparently, and it really adds to it. It kind of feels like you're on horseback, even though I've never been on a horse. Alright, what's up? It's day 3 actually. I didn't vlog at all yesterday because the park was packed and it was very warm and I didn't really want to. And I also kind of forgot. So here's day 3. I'm just chilling in my hotel room, waiting for the park to open. Also, comment below if you know what they play in Time Traveler Station. I know one of them is a bluegrass version of Clocks by Coldplay, and I don't know what the other ones are. But one of them sounds so familiar, I cannot place my finger on it at all. Please help me in the comments. Alright, so I just put my cinnamon bread in my car. I'm on my phone now, so that's why things look a little different. And now I'm heading to do some rides. So I don't think there's really any good places for videography or photography except for like some of the areas by the exit. That's about it. So I don't think I'll do any off-ride footage. There's stuff here, unfortunately. But this took Hollywood off my #1 spot for a theme park. I can't wait to try Dollywood. I might go in July. I don't know yet, but we'll see. If I do go, I'll post on Instagram, and that'll be it. Alright, so this is Time Traveler for my last ride at Silver Dollar City. I'm thinking of going to get Outlaw Run ice cream now. I finished my Outlaw Run ice cream. It was amazing, and I had to head out and head to a hotel. And wake up early and get to Massage Beach, and then head home. It's been amazing. It's been great. All right, it's Saturday. I don't know. You can see me better now. I want to keep the sun out of my eyes, so it's a Saturday. And it's it's the time I leave. I just checked out of the hotel, and now I'm heading to Massage Beach to get that one random credit. Then I'm gonna head to Bloomington to get those 2 credits at Grady's Family Fun Park. Then I'm heading home. That's the plan for today. Hopefully I'll be at 110 credits. If I'm wrong with the number, I'll post it in the text below.